I made it at the gate with Philip's guidance, but yeah, I didn't film it because my phone is with me. It was not that difficult. I just need to make sure the tire is not gonna touch the gate. So I'm going to the mountain now, and probably I'm gonna do it until sunset. So that's in the 2 hours probably. Let's see. I'm going back. I've been here for 2 hours, I think 2.5 hours. It's dark now. It's quite tiring, but it's fun. I didn't even notice the time. I did quite a big chunk today, but probably I'll be able to finish this in 2 days if I have all day. But if I only have 2-3 hours in a day, that means probably 2-3 days. Yeah. Good morning. It's quite chilly today. I thought I'm gonna be sore today after I've done the mountain with Maximus for 2.5 hours until 6:30 p.m. last night. Yeah, when I finished, I feel like my legs were sore, and I asked Philip if he felt the same when he first tried using Maximus, and he said that my body will get used to it eventually, because you know when I'm doing it, I'm also using my legs. I don't know why, but it feels like you're doing the digging yourself, you know. So I think that it will go away soon, but I'm gonna go check it with you. I haven't checked it yet after last night, but I know I've done quite a big chunk of the pile there. I think I'm halfway now, and if I have a few more days, 2 to 3 hours each day, I'll be done with it, you know. But we have something to do today. I believe we need to cut some trees behind the property on the north side. to be ready for the fire season. Because as you know, we didn't get a lot of snow, and summer will be here sooner than later. Anyway, so this is the current situation of the pile here. So this is the new pile that I moved from this end here. So as you can see, I think I'm halfway there now. I had to move the dirt from this side all the way here because Philip saw me I'm just putting it down below here, and he said I have to drag them all to the side. So what I'm doing is I'm dragging it with the blade towards there, and then I'm using the bucket to also bring some dirt and the big stumps all the way here. This is a big stump that I got last night that I want to bring inside there. I'm gonna put it in the garden. Yeah, this big stump, I really like it. And these guys, those big stumps, when I have a lot of time, I'm gonna come here and then bring it and load it probably in a trailer and then bring them in the garden. And also the soil, the dirt here, or the soil, is really good. As you can see, it's really good for the garden. So yeah, I'm gonna have to make sure the pile is all the way to the back end there, so there's more room. So this is the leftover pile. It's quite a lot still. But it's gonna get done. I'm gonna work on that sometime this week, probably sometime on a weekday, because now the day is longer, because I think we changed time last night or the other night, I can't remember. But now sunset is an hour later, so after work I can come here and do an hour at least, or an hour and a half, until I'm done with it. So yeah, it's quite cloudy. It's supposed to snow today, believe it or not, but this time last year and 2 winters ago, it was -18 and we had a lot of snow still. We had like probably 2 to 3 feet of snow this time last year and previous winters. It's really weird this time, but it is what it is. It's just good that we can start the projects right away, Anyway, I'm just waiting for Philip. We're gonna go start working on the backside. So we'll see you later. Hi, Raven. Hi. Good boy.
We'll start with that one.
Which one?
The last one there.
The big one there.
Yeah, and then we'll push it that way.
You will cut it or I will cut it?
I cut. And then once it's down, you're an excavator. When I tell you to push, you push. Once it's down, you turn off the excavator. You come and help me. We do the branches. And then we move and we do that one. And then we do these ones. And we go that way.
See this small one here? I can do that. Small one.
Maybe. We'll see. I can't promise.
You guys.
Yeah, the goats should be in the pen while we do this. They'll have enough time outside later.
You guys, do you agree with me? I can do that tree there, the small one. He doesn't want me to cut a tree yet. I've been wanting to cut a tree. Although not a big one, like just a medium-sized tree. That one is perfect. I can show you again. So these guys needs to go. All the ones near the fence. So those 2 big ones there, 1, 2, he will cut it himself. But these ones, these 2, they're not that big. So I'm sure I can do that. But we'll see. You need to be in your pen. Yes, come here. Come in.
I'm driving. Without hands.
I have to put the goats in the pen now. Let's put the goats in the pen first before I go in there. Okay, let's go, guys. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on.
So I'm gonna cut here, and then when I tell you, you push it,
Oh my gosh.
and it's gonna fall there. And then we'll do that one, and then we'll see. But you two, go get your gear.
My gear too? Am I gonna cut too?
But you're gonna cut branches,
Oh yeah.
so you need your gear. While I cut, you sit here, but you keep this up. That way, there's no way you're gonna make a mistake. When I tell you to push it, you push this down, and you use this to bring this down forward. So you're only gonna use this one forward. Okay? We'll see. Maybe I can come in. We'll see. Okay, now. Push! Push! All the way! Good. Stay down, back up. Okay, stop. Bucket down.
I'm bringing some branches on the other side of the fence for the goats, but I want to show you how big the tree is. Yeah. It's quite big.
So, my love, when you're like that, you always have to think, what if I lose balance? What's the first thing you need to do if you lose balance?
Turn off.
You can't turn it off, you're falling. You let go and you keep it away from you. Because remember, when you let go, the chain still moves.
It's a big one.
My love! You're not done. Okay, now come do the ones on that tree that we're gonna cut next. Okay. More than these guys, but we're still gonna do these guys. And there's a few back there that we're gonna still do. Like this one, we'll do it. Because the further back it is, it's better. But usually the prevailing wind comes from there. So these trees won't send cinders to the house, most likely in event of a fire. But we still want them off.
So all these guys at the front will go? Like near the fence line? All these trees?
Yes.
Wow.
We're gonna take all these trees.
See that one? I can take that down. The small one.
We'll see.
What about the one inside the fence there by the
Yes,
garden?
these ones will go too.
Oh, I like that there.
Yeah, but they're too much of a threat. If they catch on fire, it's a threat for the camper, and who knows, depending on the wind. If they're not there, they're not a threat at all. So, okay, so you're gonna need to go in the excavator.
So we're on the second tree now. Second big one. It's quite scary. I'm stressed. I just wanted to work out, you know. I'm sure it's gonna be fine. I'm just gonna wait for his signal.
You ready?
Now?
Now.
Ah!
Wait, no, not yet.
Ah! I'm not touching it. Ah! Ah!
What do you scream?
Okay, 2 trees down. Oh, I was so scared. It's so stressful. Pull the branches away.
When I do that, I have to hold the chainsaw in one hand,
And remove the branches.
and then, so it just drains me And the reason why I didn't finish that cut, you were looking at me, is the sharpness of the chain is super important. And because it's on the ground, if I cut it all the way, the chain will touch the ground
Yeah.
and it will get dull in like 2 seconds. So now I'm gonna move these logs there, move the branches too, and then we're gonna move on to this tree.
You gonna use Maximus for that one too?
Oh yeah.
But it's
And-
good. It's close. It's too close to the fence.
And then if you want to cut it, I'll tell you and I'll be in the excavator. Okay? But
I cut it.
Yeah, you'll cut it.
But where is it gonna fall?
It's gonna fall there.
Well, it's complicated, no?